Quarter. Acompanado, does your work. 42-29. Acompanado, inside pass. Dalawang nasayang mga kay Westport. Pero babawi yun. Mga kaibigan for that 3-point shot by Hanoras. But Siglotan ganda. City Councilor Patrick Aguidor at ang ating pong boss Luis Marcaida III. Boses up, time is on. Let's get it on! Let's play mga kaibigan for team rather ng France. Hindi pa tinanggap yung unang atake for team ng Pransya. Lagradang pinagkakatiwalaan, but Drio away from downtown. Drio, bam, 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 3 points! Papawis lang at binuong pamilyang ito noong pandemic time. 7 minutes remaining time, shot lock down to 15. Ang may kinajumper. Acompanado, good for 2 points at may arak pang foul. Foul. Binabati tayo, binabati natin yung mga kaibigan ko natin from Laguna na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. Magandang gabi, Acompanado, last na para free throw here, not blue shirts. Kumeke, 14 seconds on the shot clock, 6 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Yanera, jumper for 2 points. Bang! Yanera! Walang kawala mga kaibigan sa yung pinagmamalaki mga kaibigan, isa sa mga malaki ay lumaking tagumpay. Ba hindi ito magumpay yung kanyang dalawang tira, ba't nila cross attack? 14 ng Australia, nalamang na naman ang dalawa sa isang tirada by Sir Lota, 14 ng Australia. Gascon on the layup, off the window, basketball count. 7-6, 14 ng France, score po natin 7-6. 1 point lamang po abat ng France laban sa team ng Australia. Last in the final free throw by Gascon, jersey number 10, and look again. Dalawang nasayang wala kay Westport. Pero babawi yun. Si Gascon pa rin yung tumapos na magandang kwento for the penetration. Dinasag, hindi man bumasket, wala man naging. Maraming salamat po sa ating kapitan Dodge sa Trinidad ng Barangay San Jose. In the 4 minutes and 25 seconds to go, shot lock down to 8. A bump in a jumper, Ibanez libre. At ginawang di ka libre yung atake ba Ibanez. Kaibigan, dito pa rin sa St. Mary Covered Basketball Court. At napapalit niyo pa rin po ang ating last game ng gabi ng USBP. Out sa jumper, Openko for 3 points. And the James Shop yung galawan for team na mga taga-France. 3 minutos at 40, 12-23 runner. And Lagrada, Giron, 2 points in. Lamang na po, another change of 2 runner. Itong ating second game. 3 minutes and 7 seconds to go. Ibanez, bump in a Montemor. Wide open space, good for 2 points. Sa pagkamali itong Fransya, laban sa team na mga taga-Australia. Out a jumper, it's good. Drio for 3 points. We have only 2 minutes and 37 seconds to go. Shot clock down to 14. Ibanez, Acompanado, jumper for 2 points. Basketball count. Score po natin all at 14 points. 13-16 in favor po ng 3 points ng Australia laban sa team ng France. Outside jumper, good for 2 points by Yanera. 15-16 score. Just to go. Shot clock down to 17. Little step back and a jumper for 2-pointer. 20 seconds remaining time. Oh, saan ka punta? Ito naman, road trip from Bro Ibanez. 21-17. 6 seconds to go. 4 seconds remaining time. Acompanado, good for 2 points. Maraming salamat kay Sir Beam for supporting this second season ng USBP. Ang United Sports Barkadang Palawan na 2 free throws for Sir Lop, second period opening. Samantalang Gallego outside Omphenko for 3 points. Omphenko day, bam, 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 3 points. Calibrated na player for team ng France for the second period ng ating bakbakan, 19 against 25, 6 points sa kabate ng Australia. Si Fama, basketball count na, good for 2 points by Fama. Last in the final free throw, good for Wider. But air mga kaibigan for that 3-point shot by Hanoras. But Siglotan, ganda naman yun. Napaka-simple packet lang mga kaibigan. Last in the final free throw, last in the final free throw by Chip Lota, by Sir Lota. Good for 1 point. 20 Mitra, 5 minutes. Drio cuts and shoot from the top of the rainbow. Drio, bam, 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 4 points. Kalahati pala ang for this class in the final game. St. Lota may tangan ng buko. Cross court pass mula sa bandang Makalin. Bibig ko ba? Dion 3 points! 21-36 score in favor by 15 points itong team ng Australia. First free throw by Fama, good for one. Si Kuya Joseph, habang siya po nanonood sa ating Facebook page live. 4 minutes and 12 seconds to go. Last na parang free throw. Yes sir, good for Lagrada Giron, going for Rio. That's from the top of the rainbow. May taga-rescue, Lagrada, Knox City. Giron Lagrada, 14 ng Australia. 38 against 26. That's only the Australia. And Mirador, bang, 3 points! Ganda po yung standing itong Australia sa ating po kasalukuyang liga nitong USBP. At a good comedy, working from the paint. Good for 2 months. Packet nitong Jeron Lagrada, 14 ng Australia, 42-29. Acompanado, inside pass, and Palmes get the 2 points at Maikas. Palmes at the line for a bonus shot. Titignan natin kung posibleng magagawa yung tatluhan. Palmes, good fortune sa team ng mga taga-Fransya. O laban sa team ng Fransya, Acompanado, jumper for 2 points. Acompanado, 2 points pocket. Laban ng Australia, laban sa team ng France. Si Lota pinabayaan. Abay, akalain yung napabayaan. At ayun nga, mali 24, abay double digit 10 points once again. Your team Australia laban sa team ng France. Here we have only 45 seconds to go. Acompanado, jumper for 2 points. Basketball count. France 36. Order and shot lock down to 14. De La Cruz bounce pass. Sir Lota the 3-pointer. Lota! Bang! 3 points! 25. Shooting, good for 2 points. Kaya Sir Agustina Miliano Tamboy. 7 minutes and 9 seconds to go for the third quarter. Acompanado, doesn't work. Acompanado, doesn't work. Fade away shot. 2 points. And the minuto after 15 segundos ang nabubusulo pa naman for the third period. Shot knocked down to 7. Perimeter J. Open today. 51, lugoy ng 13 points, mga kaibigan ng team ng Australia. 51 against 38 score. Sir Lota na naman ang nagsashine ngayong gabi. Good for 2 points by Sir Lota. 14 ng USBP. At ngayong gabi, siya nga po yung isa sa mga kandidato natin bilang best player of the game. But speed move in a jumper, Fama get the 2 points and the foul. Fama and one play. Bonus shot from the free throw area. Fama, good substitution. Deflect and installing by De La Cruz. Harassing by Pampiaga. Iwanan one. Sumansa dito De La Cruz. Kuha dito Pampiaga, mga kaibigan. Pampiaga. Blind pass. Inside Ibanez. All along. Ibanez! Ng Australia. Ibanez may tangan ng buko. Harassing by Belgies number 37. But inside Fama. Magandang gabi rin po yung ginahagawa. O magandang 56-45. Up by 11 points. Pampiaga! 3 points! Pampiaga! Duhan, nagpa-party na po mula sa 3-point territory yung dalawang player nitong magkabilang komunan at makikisabay na 3 but 2 points by De La Cruz for that penetration. Got a 2 points pocket once again for Australia. Curtis of De La Cruz number 16. 58 against 48. 3-pointer. Pampiaga! Bullseye! 3 points! Dosena na pong 20 na 12 points yung nilalaman ng Australia ngayon laban sa team ng France for this last in a final quarter or last in a final half. The second half, 1 minute and 2 seconds to go. 1 minute for the third. We have only 58 seconds to go. 51 against 65. Good for 2 points. Napaganda pa yun. Basketball count at may kasamang foul. Foul against the Dosena yung kalamangan ng Australia laban sa team ng mga taga-Fransya. Laban na sa team ng Fransya. Last na pang free throw. Lagyan. Outside jumper. Hugo there 14 ng Australia. 37 seconds remaining. Acompanado. Jumper for 2 points. Acompanado. Basketball count for 2 points. Simulan na po natin mga kaibigan ang ating last in the final quarter. Pumasok na tayo sa order. 8 minutos. Dahil good for 2 points from Jeron Lagrada. Iwan ko dyan mula kay Jeron Lagrada. 7 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Llanera, ganda ng atake. Palmes hindi rin magnimintes. At yun, nagkapalitan nga. Dalawang free throws. Ang sir natin talagang nag-shine ngayong gabi at binigyan ng justice ang kanyang kupo ng Australia. Every time na talagang pumipihit ay sumusungkit. The first free throw by Sir Lota, good for 1. Last in the final free throw by Lota, good for 2 points by Sir Lota. 6. It's a jumper for 3 points in and out. Mayroon pang taga-recover from down low. Acompanado, good for 2 points. 6 minutes and 4 seconds to go. 69-60 score. Last in the final free throw, good for 1. Sa ating mga kaibigan, malapit pa lamang po tayo mga lahati. Pero konti na lamang yung inahabol ng mga taga-France laban sa team ng Australia. Ito kay ate, 14 seconds on the shot clock. 5 minutes and 37 seconds to go. Ang bumping jumper, nugod by Jeron. Putback niya, sariling sikat. Good for 2 points. Jeron Lagrabanes going to the front court. Pangmes almost out of balance. Sanora sa receiving that ball for Framba. Pangmes is spinning by Llanera. Taking a shake. Wow! What a play by Llanera! 64. 4 na minuto, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ang James Shop ng France. Good for 2 points. Llanera! Sir Lota at the line. 2 free throws. First shot, good for 1. 67. Last in the final free throw by Sir Lota. Yes sir, good for 2 points. Ibanez at the line. 2 shots coming up for team ng France. The first free throw, good for 1. The free throws, Lagrada, first shot, good for 1. Ibanez, tatangan pa ito sa kanilang front court. Jumper by Llanera, Mintes. Recover by Fama. Bang! By Fama. Get the 2 points. Fama, good for 3 points. Babago. Sa pagsingit na yun, bumingo pa ng 2 at magiging 3 pa yun. 79 sa hit nitong Gallego. 30 seconds to go. Ibanez, Kemper Palmes, umatras pa ng 3. Pabana, Palmes, 3 points! 5 pa. Shot lang is off. 9 seconds remaining. Yan na ng Nugod. Rebound, Acompanado, jumper, basketball count, at may ara pang foul. On the shot for Acompanado. With 6.2 seconds remaining time, last in the final free throw. Bingo! He's 77-70.